I think this is my train coming in. I'm picking up the guys off of it. If they have loaded coal cars, and that might be it. Forget the number of the engine, like 528 or something. I'm hoping you'll be able to see it. I think it had a fire on it. There's in the engine area on one side that I saw, there seems to have been a fire. There's a bunch of paint missing, and I don't know if it's rusty or not. Hopefully you'll get to see it. I'll film it until he goes past. I can't film the whole train because he's going to be stopping here. I know it's 5 something.
2115. Alright, 16 on our end. I'm not good. We'll get 30 back here.
Yeah, I believe that's him. Here, you'll see here in a minute. I can't. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That's right, stop the video.